Hey hippies, back again. This time I am going to show you a 5-minute natural makeup look. Maybe a 7-minute natural makeup look. At least I'm going to try. Just a quick natural look when you are in a hurry or needing to get going for the day. So here we go. All right, the first thing that I've got is our Hippie concealer. I love this stuff. It's pretty awesome. So it's just a little push-up tube. All I do, I just do a little bit underneath my eye. I like to draw a triangle because it actually draws the attention upward. So all I do there, I've got a couple of age spots that I like to cover up, so I'm gonna just kind of dot those in. I've got a blemish here that I'm gonna just go over the top of. I do have a green concealer that I'm not using today that works a little bit better for red spots. So might want to keep that in mind if you've got some particularly bad blemishes. So now, looking super cute, right? I'm not going to do anything with these yet. I'm going to move on to my foundation. So I've got my cute little vegan brush set here, made of bamboo. Just a quick dip. Then we take the lid, swirl, and tap off the extra. Then I'm just gonna do the shape of a 3 onto my face. And I'm gonna start to blend it. And this is where I start to blend the concealer as well. Get a little bit more. Go over my eye. Just really get it all up in the business. Bit more here. Again, dip, swirl, tap. Super easy. And you can see that this kind of just blends that concealer in by putting the foundation over the top of it. Now, since it's summer and I don't want to look pasty, because you can tell my body's a different color than my face, I'm going to add in just a little bit of color to help offset that and make me match a little bit better. And you can just do a bronzer here too if you want to, so I'll show you that first. With the bronzer, you're going to take more of a blush brush. Again, dip, swirl, and tap. Then you're going to make your skinny girl face. And you're just going to go right in the middle there. Blend it up toward your eye. Kind of just creating a straight line. Then take the excess and go right up to the top there. I even like to take a little bit underneath my jawline just to help that jawline stand out. Blend it down a little. So that's an option. I actually like to use the copper for that, but for this, since I am feeling a little bit pasty, I'm going to add a little bit of color over the top. So the first color I used was our Hippie Dust Foundation in Sun. This is Elm. So I'm just going to go over the top and give myself just a little bit more color. I'm going to stay away from that area underneath my eyes to give myself that natural looking highlight. Pretty much everything we do with the makeup is to draw the attention or draw the eye up toward the eyes. Good. All right. So, see, I got a little bit more color now. Moving on. The next thing I'm going to do is give myself some eyebrows. Somebody told me once that eyebrows are the picture frame or the frame to the face. So I don't like to ignore the eyebrows. And I've been complimented on my eyebrows several times, so I'll show you how I do the eyebrows. I'm going to use the Hippie Dust in Cocoa. And again, I'm just dipping my angled brush so I've got this nice angle here. I'm gonna dip the angled brush, kind of tap it around, tap off the excess, and I'm gonna start at the bottom. And I'm just gonna draw kind of a straight line out to the edge, so you can kind of see that straight line there. Then I'm gonna go straight up from the bottom corner up to the top. From there, from the top corner, straight over. Just filling that in. Then get a little bit more, and you're just gonna follow this straight down. Boom. Eyebrows. Do the other side quickly. If you have two eyebrows that are exactly the same, I envy you. Kind of have to make adjustments depending on the shape of each eyebrow. But there you go. So the next thing I like to do is just add a little bit of eyeliner. I'm going to get this brush wet. Using the same Hippie Dust and Cocoa. I'm just going to dip my wet brush back into the pigment. Getting just enough on the brush there. Tapping it around. Getting just a little bit more. And then I just follow the inside. There are a zillion ways to do eyeliner, guys, so I'm just doing the way I like the best, and you can kind of do whatever you want. All right, so I got my eyeliner on. Gonna finish off the eyes with the Hippie lashes, which is vegan, by the way, which is, I just think that's pretty cool. The thing that I like about this too is it is buildable, so you can put it on layer by layer. I start on the bottom, just do a quick little back and forth, and then move to the top. Don't forget the back side. Especially because when you're putting on mineral powder, sometimes those little minerals can hang out on the back of your eyelashes. So boom! I always love putting on mascara, so it's kind of like that finisher for your eye, and then you're just like, wow, I'm awake. There I am. All right, pretty cool. So if I was doing this without talking, I probably could have done it faster. But I am gonna just finish this off with some Lippy Hippie in Soft Pink. It's my favorite color lately. Just get some on my finger. Goes right on. And boom. And if you're like me and you get mascara all over the place when you put it on, just take your Q-tip get rid of any excess that might be hanging out, and you've got like a pretty dope natural look. So that is just a quick run through of some of our makeup processes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Love your face.